Hi Libra, welcome back to Omkara Tarot and to your in-depth love read. Let's see Libra, how you're feeling, how your person is feeling, and what action we can expect in this connection. And of course, these are general collective readings, Libra, will not resonate with all of you. Please keep that in mind. Take what works for you, leave the rest. So let's begin. My angel spirit guides, please bless this reading for Libra and send them the messages they need to hear the most for their love life. Thank you. All right, Libra, let's begin your reading. Welcome back, all my subscribers. Thank you for being here. And Libra, if you're new here, we welcome you as well. Do join us, subscribe to the channel, become part of us. We welcome you in. All right, Libra. Newbies, I'm setting down two sets of cards here. One side will be for you, one side will be for your person. And in the center, you'll have your mutual energies, your dialogue message cards, etc. If this is your reading, Libra, you'll know which side you're on, because for me, this side is person A and this side is person B. Bottom of my deck, I have the Four of Swords in reverse. Someone going through a lot of depression, it seems, Libra. It seems somebody's feeling right now that they've lost their Ten of Cups. No wish fulfillment, their future happiness, all gone. Their person is now bitter, angry, does not trust them at all. This is like, from being lovers and friends to being like core enemies. That's how at least one person is feeling, that their person is feeling about them. The other person is angry with them. That's true. They are very angry with them after certain things have been revealed about the connection or revealed about their partner. So we'll do the rest of the reading later, Libra. Let's start with your dialogue message cards. Let's see if you guys could say something to each other, what that would be, and then we'll clarify the rest of the cards. So Libra and their person spirit, if they could say something to each other now, what would that be? Libra and their person. Okay. Let's take one more. Libra and their person. Thank you. I'm going to take a few more, Libra, from another deck. And if any of you are looking for personal readings, my email is in the description box below. You can reach me there. Libra and their person. Okay. All right, Libra, let's start your reading. The first card here says, just give me a second. Sorry. The first card here says, Libra, I let my temptations get the best of me. I got sidetracked. Well, maybe that's the reason of this breakup and there's no trust left anymore. Maybe somebody got tempted in other directions. I have never experienced a love and a connection like this before. Please don't give up on me. I fell so deeply in love with you. Why did you choose them over me? And I think this is the other person saying, well, you let your temptations get the best of you. You're saying you fell in love with me. You never felt a connection this strong. And then why did you choose them over me? Can I trust you not to break my heart again? Trust issues now. I have faith that we'll be together again. I'm holding space for you. I act like I don't care, but deep down it affects me more than you'll ever know. All right, so Libra, these were some of your messages. If these were resonating, let's start your reading. I'm going to start with an angel blessing card. Let's see what my angels have for you first, okay? As a blessing, guidance, advice, or a message, Mother. Okay, so basically this card means somebody really needs to look after their inner child. Somebody is hurting big time now. I can see a lot of sadness, a lot of depression, almost like being unwell or being sick basically. So yes, they need that nurturing, caring, loving to soothe them out of this depression, I think. I think that whoever this person is has kind of lost their strength now. Okay, and they really need that loving care of either a partner or a therapist, I don't know, or doctor. To keep this here. And this back here, and let's begin the reading. So I'm going to start with the energies of person A, Libra. Let's see what's going on here, then we'll move on to the other side. So person A, tell me, why do you feel the Ten of Cups is now in reverse? Why do you feel that way? Okay, so the person A says Ten of Cups is now in reverse, Omkara Tarot, because I really, there was one of us, or maybe I think the person A only, never put in the work in this connection. Maybe they were into third parties, I don't know. And they were sitting in their very selfish and egoistic and prideful place, right? And that person could have... they never put the work in, Spirit says. They never put the work in. They never offered this brand new beginning when it was time to do so, which left their person feeling very bitter, very upset, very angry, and not trusting them at all. I mean, if you're not going to show me anything, and you're always going to be me, and look at me, and, then, well, I don't trust you anymore. At least that's how person A is feeling. Why do you feel that the Queen of Swords is in reverse, person A? Because things have totally come to a standstill, and they are seeing their person. Okay, so their person A is seeing their person having a jolly good time with other people, with their friends, with their family, maybe going out on dates, and they feel that, they've totally dropped me. They're not even bothered about me. They're not even sending me a small message or nothing. There's total stagnation. I do see them having a good time though. So the more I think this Queen of Swords has cut them out or is living her life now, the more depression I think person A is going through because of everything coming to a stop. So what happened in the recent past, person A? Why are you feeling this way? Ten of Swords in reverse. Things came to a total ending here. Yes, somebody was deeply unhappy. Maybe there was some betrayal here. Maybe there was a betrayal here, maybe there were third parties, somebody was giving to more than one, or breadcrumbing their partner, even though there was so much love here. There was so much love here, but somebody didn't either recognize it or maybe left it for later, while their person could have felt unhappy all the time. None of their cups were getting filled, right? So what's the point of having a love if you're never going to show it? And things may have halted. Now I have the Nine of Cups twice here. This is total unhappiness and this is total unhappiness. So person A is, I think, either indulging in alcohol or, drowning their miseries, or just feeling deeply unhappy and feeling now there is no possibility of my wishes coming true. And the more they're feeling this way, the more they're recognizing that, no, I do love this person. I do have a big cup of love for them. I want to return, Omkara Tarot. I wish they would return back to me, because this card is also here on person A's side twice. Please come back. Please, can I come back? Okay, so how do you feel about the connection now, person A? Person A says, I've been knocked off my pedestal in a very big way. I feel embarrassed. I feel ashamed of my own past behavior. I do want to make things right between the two of us, but there is no communication. What do I do? As much as I want to do the right thing now, there is no communication between the two of us. I have made that choice now that I want to come back and I want to drop all these defenses, but I'm too embarrassed to even say anything anymore because they are just not communicating with me. Eight of Cups in reverse. Eight of Cups in reverse. Yes, person A says, I really do want to come back. I do want to return back to my partner, but I fear that if I go towards them, this Queen of Swords is going to cut my head off and not going to give me a second chance. So they fear that if I do try and return, what the consequences will be. So they're too embarrassed to even face person B right now. What action they will finally take, I'll open later. Libra, let's go on to the other side and see how person B is doing. Person B, the High Priestess in reverse. It seems you got to know about something. Some secrets came out. What was that? Well, I think person A could have, in their anger, in their ego, in some rash moment, said or done something or revealed something which kind of put person B into, oh my God, really? Right? Is this what is going on kind of a feeling? Something came out of the blue. It was like a sudden revelation or sudden, maybe during a fight, like, you say things without thinking. Something may could have been said by person A which kind of stressed out person B big time. And not just stressed them out, it made them really upset and really angry as well. Maybe about a third party, could be anything. Queen of Wands, why are you in reverse? Yes, Queen of Wands says not about third parties, Omkara Tarot, about so many third parties. They told me they wanted to keep their options open and they wanted me to be an option as well. That really pissed me off. Okay, that makes sense, person B. I'm on your page. So, what happened according to you, person B? What happened in the recent past that you got this upset? Page of Pentacles in reverse. There was no movement. Person B says, I really admired person A. I really saw them as my future. I really thought that, they were responsible. They would come forward and do the right thing. But they left me all depressed. They never offered me nothing. They kept making foolish decisions for our connection. They were in toxic energy. They were into their addictions, right? And they never offered me anything. They didn't even take a chance on our connection. All they wanted was sex and passion and this and that, and whether it was with me or maybe the other options. And they left me all depressed. I really, really admired them at one point. I had visions that this would be my King of Pentacles and we would live happily ever after or whatever. But after seeing their toxic, devilish behavior, I decided no, I'm not going to take a risk on them. So how do you feel about the connection now, person B? Person B says, I've put an end to this connection. I have shut this chapter down. I've accepted the ending. I'm being reborn for myself in my own life after releasing the devil. After releasing the toxicity which had come into my life because of the foolish mistakes my person was making. So give me one more, Spirit, for the Judgment card. How does person B feel about the connection now? Yeah, person B says, I told you certain things have come out absolutely black and white. I know what was going on. They themselves probably told me and I heard from the grapevine or whatever, but I have proof. Like this is like, I'm not in two minds that, I'm misunderstood or anything. I know the truth. And once I know the truth, it only calls for an ending. I don't want to be in toxicity anymore. Devil in reverse. Devil in reverse, yes. Person B says, I am exhausted, I'm tired, I am, I've tried and tried many times and I have no more energy or effort to even talk to them anymore. Because they are so unemotional. I've made a decision for my own life. I'm having a rebirth of my own life. I'm not going to be juggled. I'm not going to be juggled. And I'm dropping the ball here. Very decisive energy, person B, whoever you are. Libra, I don't know which side you're on, but person B says, I've spent enough time in feeling discontent and not getting that offer and feeling sad and lonely. I've decided to have a rebirth of my own life here. Alright, so what actions will you guys take, if any, towards each other? Libra, I'm going to take a separate deck for this one, and of course, this is my time to remind you to click that like button, since you guys are still here, even if it's entertaining, Libra, or parts of it, the reading are resonating. It really helps the videos to circulate, and yes, it does make me feel very happy. Thank you so much. And newbies, when you do subscribe, don't forget to hit the notification bell so that YouTube can then send you notifications when new videos are posted by us. Thank you. So person A has the Temperance card in reverse. So are they getting impatient, Spirit? Why is that in action? Why is that in action? Why is that in action? Oh my God, really, person A? I didn't expect that from you. One more, just to be sure. me one more card. Why is the Temperance card in reverse for you? Okay. I love tarot so much. I can't even tell you. Remember, 2 minutes ago, I was telling you about person B, how they always thought that, I always respected them. I always thought they were going to be my King of Pentacles. They would do the right thing, but they didn't. Well, here they are. King of Pentacles, upright. Now they're getting impatient. They are desperate to take action. Desperate to take action. And this is not just passionate action that they're coming for. What they're coming for, or what they want to come for, is to offer what person B has been wanting all along. For a forever scene, for a once. Now they recognize this is my true partner, and this is the person I want to go towards, nurture, care, have fun with, and live the rest of my life with. That's what person A wants. I hope they do it though. Person A, will you take action? Can we expect any movement from your end, or is it wishful thinking? Is that action, real action in the concrete 3D world, or is it, what action will you take? Okay, so they're afraid. They're saying, yes, this is the action I want to take, but I'm a little bit in my emotions. I'm still trying to gather up my courage. I'm very overwhelmed right now, and the reason why I'm feeling this way, Omkara Tarot, I just explained to you, right? What if I go and they cut my head off? What if they don't give me a second chance? I really want it. I really want to go and offer them everything. Okay, you'll have to take a chance. I mean, you can't just sit there and imagine the worst, person A. Nothing ventured, nothing gained. Person B, what about you? Will you take any action towards person A or otherwise in your own life? Knight of Pentacles. What's that? Why is that an action? Why is that an action from your end? Oh, really? One more? Okay, one more. Oh, okay. So person B is telling me, yes, the connection has come to a stagnant halt right now. You know what? I've started something brand new. Look at me, jumping with joy at these new beginnings. I'm in the 9 of Pentacles energy. I'm single, I'm abundant, I'm doing well. I'm totally concentrated on my work and making a secure, stable foundation. I'm starting from scratch, Omkara Tarot. I mean, all these past dreams and all didn't work out, so I've started anew. And guess what? I'm jumping off that cliff. I'm taking a risk into a brand new life. So I think person B doesn't even expect this to come their way, which it hasn't till now. So person B is right. They're saying, well, I don't see anything coming. They always did wrong by me. So I have started from scratch. I have embarked on a brand new journey. I'm working very hard, seeing the fruits of my labor and feeling so happy in my 9 of Pentacles energy. Look at me here. Look at me here. So excited. So that you guys are on two different pages here. I mean, person B doesn't even know what person A feels. Of course, now you do, now that you've seen the reading. But person A is seeing person B moving on, and it's scaring them more and more each day. Right? Now they want to come and offer everything, but fear is keeping them still stuck. So that's all I have for you. Meanwhile, I think this person is very depressed, very sad, could be ill, could be sick. I don't know what. They need to take care of their inner wounds and inner child wounds, childhood issues, whatever, or find somebody to, take care of them before they can get that courage to even face person B. So that's all I have for you. Hope it worked for you. Do let me know. At least put a like or something, okay? Really makes me feel good. Till next time then, love and light. Take care. Namaste, Libra.